Yep.
Filled with trees, warm climate, and rain, this ecosystem is off the chain. Brazil, Indonesia, Congo, and Peru, some of the biggest forests, just to name a few. Positioned in the tropics, covered with a canopy, rainforests have lots of biodiversity. All different species work in a partnership. That's what we call a symbiotic relationship.
Hip, hip.
Mammals like the jaguar, sloth, and orangutan live with bats and the leopards and gorilla gang. Birds like macaw, parrot, and owl live with the eagle, always on the prowl.
Ow, ow.
Can't forget amphibians, reptiles, and plants, lizards, turtles, frogs, and all kinds of ants. Hundreds of trees, flowers, and vines make this environment one of a kind.
Kind.
The jewels of the earth and the world's largest pharmacy. Rainforests have lots of charm and mystery. I'd love to visit one if I had the chance. Now let's stop and do the rainforest dance.